Subscribe to Food Hashtag Life and tap the bell icon to stay notified about new videos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Hashtag Life. We all look forward for some interesting breakfast or snack recipes, and in today's video I will be sharing one such recipe. This is classic French toast, so why wait, let's get started and check it out. So first we'll be making an egg mixture. For that, to a bowl crack 2 eggs. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I have used the regular white sugar. If you wish, you could use brown sugar. Whisk the eggs and the sugar together. Now to this, add about half cup of boiled and cooled milk. Whisk everything until well combined. The egg mixture is ready. Transfer it into a wide plate. To cook the French toasts, first let's heat a pan. Once you heat the pan, apply some butter onto it. Now, dip the bread slice into the prepared egg mixture. Coat it well on both the sides. Place it on the heated pan and let it cook. Once it is cooked on one side, gently pick it up. Add some more butter onto the pan. Flip the bread slice over and let it cook on the other side as well. The French toast is ready. Similarly, make the other French toasts as well. Garnish it with some butter, honey or maple syrup and serve it hot. So there you go, here are these interesting classic French toasts. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out to be. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you all soon in my next one. Till then, happy cooking from Food Hashtag Life. Bye.